6 of 10. Data cleansing, also known as data cleaning or data scrubbing. Pradeep K. Suri. Consultant, mentor, author, and YouTuber. Data cleansing, also known as data cleaning or data scrubbing, is the process of identifying and correcting or removing errors, inconsistencies, and inaccuracies in a data set. It involves detecting and resolving issues to ensure data quality and reliability for analysis, reporting, or other data-related operations. Here are some common tasks involved in data cleansing. Removing duplicate records, identifying and eliminating duplicate entries in the dataset to ensure data integrity and accuracy. Handling missing data, dealing with missing or incomplete data by either imputing values based on statistical methods or making informed decisions on how to handle the missing data based on domain knowledge. Standardizing and formatting data, ensuring consistency in data formats, such as dates, phone numbers, addresses, or units of measurement, by applying standardization techniques. Correcting inaccurate or inconsistent data, addressing errors or inconsistencies in data, such as misspelled words, inconsistent naming conventions, or inconsistent codes, to enhance data quality and consistency. Validating data, verifying the correctness and validity of data against predefined business rules or constraints. This can involve checking for out-of-range values, validating against reference data sets, or applying logical checks to ensure data accuracy. Handling outliers, identifying and addressing outliers or extreme values that might skew analysis results by applying statistical techniques to detect and handle them appropriately. Resolving data integration issues, when combining data from multiple sources, resolving discrepancies or conflicts arising from variations in data structures, data formats, or data semantics. Data cleansing is typically performed using a combination of automated tools, manual review, and domain knowledge. The goal is to improve the overall quality and reliability of the data, making it more suitable for analysis, decision-making, and other data-related tasks. By ensuring high-quality data through data cleansing processes, organizations can make more accurate and reliable decisions, improve operational efficiency, enhance customer experiences, and gain valuable insights from their data. Thank you.